Hi, this is Brooke Edmonds with Oregon State University Extension. Today I want to share some tidbits for gardeners from OSU's 2016 Strawberry Open House. Hosted by OSU's Berry Crops Research Leader, Dr. Bernadine Strict, this event gives commercial growers an update on the current OSU research results. But there are some good nuggets that gardeners can use too. A speaker from Washington State University gave an update on research into biodegradable mulches. These are being used as a replacement for non-degradable plastic films to warm the soil and for weed management. His study is comparing plastic mulch to the new biodegradable mulches made from paper, cornstarch, or bacteria fermentation products. These mulches were just as effective for weed control and break down quickly, especially paper. There are no disposal issues like with plastic mulches, which usually end up in a landfill. Paper and cornstarch-based mulches are available to home gardeners. Check online catalogs. Dr. Chad Finn from the USDA ARS, based in Corvallis, gave a field tour of new cultivars that he is developing. These are cultivars that don't even have names yet, just numbers, and aren't available in garden centers or grocery stores. His research is looking for increased yield, better fruit quality, and improved plant health. Dr. Finn is also looking for new ornamental varieties that have great-looking flowers and foliage. Next up is a new program looking at improving fresh market strawberries. These are the ones you buy in pints at the grocery store. This project will be looking for the next hot new cultivar that grows well in Oregon but also tastes great. The open house also included a taste testing. About 20 cultivars of fresh berries were available to try and compare. The OSU Department of Food Science and Technology also had samples of a strawberry topping that was served over ice cream. My favorite was the newly named cultivar Mary's Peak. Hope you enjoyed this research update from OSU Extension and check back for new videos.